Okay.
Maximize this one. Recording wala
Full screen.
That's all.
Super. All internet.
మధ్య మోసం పడుతుంది.
We have to save that link to Notepad in the system. కింద ఆ పీసీ లింక్ అందించిందండి జస్ట్ ఆ వైర్ మళ్ళీ పెట్టుకుంటూ ఉండాలి You know what is happening? If you turn off kind of thing, then it is always happening.
So now you are explaining about
full payment, short pay.
okay.
So you have the invoices in this account 14001224. 01 is the invoice, and search with invoice only. So you need to pay these invoices. All invoices are in open status.
How can you know that open status? Search.
So these all are in open status.
Okay.
So for applying cash, first you have to ingest the cash from the cash receipts to AR modules. Then you take that amount and you can apply these invoices.
So first you ingest the cash.
So first you need to ingest the cash. Through this cash receipts module, you need to ingest the cash. So cash will come into this cash application stream.
For ingesting the cash, you need to go to cash application.
Cash receipts module.
Account number.
Those cash will come into this application AR stream. So this is the 50 check cash payment from cash receipts module. These are 51 is the new records. So yesterday we generated the credit notes. So credit note is always with 55A credit note. So this also come into the cash application. Using this credit amount, you can apply the cash to the any invoice. So this amount is ingested from the cash receipts module.
Actually, yesterday we have done the cash adjustment itself, right?
Invoice adjustments.
Invoice adjustment.
Then
For the
HG provided some credit amount. So those credit amount will flow into the AR in this 50 cash application stream.
Yeah.
Using this amount, you can apply any invoice.
Yeah. Normally there is a other way that we can also ingest the cash, but using that screen we already ingested it.
No, we have already ingested.
Yes, system itself generated the cash credit amount, right?
Credit amount, right?
Yeah.
Credit amount, the HBG provided credit amount, that is this one. 55
Normally we, okay.
55A, 41 and 55 are the credits, credit amounts. So those will flow into the AR using the same as cash application,
Yes,
cash receipts module.
Okay.
So if you, whenever the cash is ingested from cash module,
Receipt model, and it will come to this
some
application.
this application has 50
Uh-huh.
and 50 I think
Okay.
credit card.
Okay.
Is the same way the credit adjustments will flow into AR as 55A, 41, 55. So using this any payment transaction, we can apply the cash to the particular any invoice. So these 50 are ingested from the cash module. These 55 and 41, 55 are the adjustment amount, that is credit amount. So yesterday we have created all these 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8. So using this 450 amount, double click on this. So the unapplied amount is 450. So you can use this amount to apply any invoice. So first you log the account before going to apply.
So that the person cannot use it, right?
Yes. So we have 450 amount. So first I will show the full payment of the invoice. You can use 323.67. This is below 450 amount, right? Hmm?
This.
This is the claim experiment. You can use it, but first you need to, but you will apply the invoice. Yeah, 01 is the invoice, 04 is the claim.
So we should apply only for invoices?
You can apply payment to the invoices and claims also. So this is the claim which I have created yesterday. So first you will go with the invoice. See, the amount is applied. 450 minus 323.67. So once you apply this, transaction will flow, go into the hold status. See, this is in hold status. Here you are applying the cash, create cash container. First you apply the cash and then you proceed with the cash. So payment has successfully applied and the bill to account has been released from being logged. So this is the new record created with 51. Previously 50 is the amount that is ingested from the cash receipts module. Using that amount, 450 amount, you applied for 333.67, and remaining amount will create with the 51 transaction code. And you can use that remaining amount to the another invoice. Now you can check whether it is really closed or not. Go to the customer inquiry screen and search with the invoice. Go to close status because the invoice is closed. They will pay the full amount. See, the invoice is closed. Status. Now double click on this record. The transaction history is in here. This is the payment you are using to close this invoice. The payment is 450. The invoice amount is 323.67. So after applying, a new record will be created for cash. That is 51. With the remaining 450 minus 323.67, that is 126.33. That should be in open status and remaining 2 should be in closed status. You can use this amount to another invoice, to apply any other invoices. So this is the full payment. So this is the date uploaded. The actual invoice date is 10/03/2013. Invoice date is, the invoice is created on 8th August, 9th August. The cash is created on 3rd October, and you apply the cash on this current date, 10/09. So the new record will be created with the original ingested cash record. That is 10/03, October 3rd.
And same invoice number?
The invoice is closed.
No, basically when the new record is created.
That is for only cash. You have closed the invoice. You have applied the full payment and you have closed the invoice. But you have some amount remaining. So that amount will be created with the 51 code.
In the cash application.
In the year.
In the
year. You can use that amount and you can apply to the other invoices.
Basically, cash application is in the year.
Cash application is in the year. Cash register is different, cash application is different. Cash application is the year first model, first thing. Initial was the first thing. So I'm using this remaining amount, 51. Watch the screen.
Remaining amount is 126.
Mm. This is the remaining amount. For this remaining amount, I am creating the new claim. By default, the original invoice number will automatically populate for short pay.
Transaction code should be 0.
Yeah, generally it is 04. You can use the transaction code. These are all the transaction codes for claims. This is for sales adjustment, this is for returns,
Anything can be used.
not anything. For CH, transaction code with CH. So the actual invoice amount is 195, but you have only 126.33. You have the short payment of 68.67, the remaining amount. So now you can create the short pay. So this invoice will close and the remaining amount will flow into this new claim. You have created a new claim. You have created the claim for the remaining amount. That is the short pay. Previously we have applied the full payment. Now we are applying the short pay.
So from $195, you're putting
From 195, you have $126 in your account. 126.33. So the unapplied amount is 126.
Before
Okay.
post is there, right? After that we are direct to the amount, right? Same thing. After minus 126.
See, the invoice amount is 195, but you have $126 in your account.
Okay.
So what about the remaining amount? So the remaining amount you can create a new claim and you can apply
So
the
it automatically అది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసిందండి 126 అమౌంట్ అప్లై
this one.
yes 68 is remaining now.
68.67 is the remaining amount.
You selected $195 invoice.
Yeah, $195 invoice and I
This
tried.
one, when I try to apply and it 126 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి 68 ఎక్కడికి వెళ్తుందా
You can enter the 126.
ఓకే బ్యాలెన్స్
Whatever the
ఆటోమేటిక్
payment you want to enter, you can enter. And you can create for the remaining amount. You are creating a new claim. Generally, the original invoice will automatically populate here. If you want a new claim number, then you can create a new claim number. 6789.
Create, we have to use create short pay, no?
Yeah, payment is successfully applied and bill to accounts. Then release from paying to account.
Not the create cash continue, huh?
No.
We should use the create short pay.
Release from being locked, locked in.
No.
I can tell.
See, the original invoice is closed. So now double click on this. You know the history of this transaction. See, first two lines are closed and the third one is open. See this. The invoice amount is 195 and we applied 126.33 and the remaining amount is 68.67.
Okay.
The short pay will create with the 01S. That indicates it is short pay invoice. So 01S is the open status with the original claim number. So this should be in open status. Now you can check whether it is in open status or not. For each transaction, one transaction ID will be created. That is a unit for all the transactions. See, this is the short payment, 01S. The original invoice number is this one, 42, this one. This amount of 68.67. This is in open status. This is in open status.
That is short payment.
That is short payment.
Okay.
So now let's explain about chargeback. Create chargeback.
యాక్చువల్గా వెనక్కి లాగండి ఆ వైర్ని, ఈ వైర్ని అక్కడ కింద వెనక్కి లాగండి, లైట్గా వస్తుంది కింద వెనక్కి కొంచెం వెనక్కి లాగన్నట్టు ట్రై చేయండి, బ్యాక్ లాగండి.
Chargeback means the same as short pay, but the actual meaning of chargeback is to reduce the amount from the invoice. You can reduce the amount from the invoice and you can generate a new chargeback. The original invoice will be closed and you can create a new chargeback for that particular invoice for the remaining amount. For example, see the unapplied amount is 99,000 dollars. You can use this amount and apply it to any invoice and you can create some chargeback. For example, take this one. We have applied 50 and for the remaining 50 amount we can create a chargeback.
Why we are getting the remaining 50? For what purpose?
It's same like the short pay amount.
So you are not paying the full amount only?
Not paying the full amount. The chargeback and the claims and are similar to the short payments. You can create a claim on the entire account, but you can't create the chargeback for the entire account. It is only for the applicable for only particular invoice only.
Okay.
The selected total is 100 and your chargeback is 50 amount. Now you can apply. So these transactions are in hold status. Now you can select the original invoice and continue cash. Cash for the 50 amount. So payment is applicable. The locking of the account is automatically released.
Selected with 100, right? Not 50 only.
Yeah, selected 100 invoice.
Okay.
Amount.
But in that 100 only,
After 50
okay.
and for the remaining amount, use the chargeback. So the invoice is closed. Now see the history. So the invoice amount is 100. You applied $99. You come with the $99 and you applied 50 amount. And the remaining amount is this much. And this is the chargeback number, chargeback amount.
99 outcome for
99, 669. The actual invoice amount is 100.
Yeah,
You have applied 50.
Okay.
So 669 minus 50.
Okay.
So
what
this is the chargeback number that should be in open status.
Okay. Then what this 99,600 is there, right?
Mhm.
So in that only you applied 100 rupees, right?
I have applied 50 rupees.
Okay. Okay.
In this amount I have applied Using this amount, I have applied $50 to this invoice. For the remaining $50, I have created a chargeback.
Chargeback. But
So
you did, at the time of creating, you created separately 100 rupees for separately, right?
Yeah,
Not that.
I selected only 100, but I applied $50.
You applied okay. For not that this account, right? This invoice is different, right? 99,000.
This is the amount.
Okay. Amount for which invoice? That is also one invoice, right? Not
This is the cash transaction.
Cash transaction,
This is
okay.
only transaction.
Okay.
CR. So 51 transaction. So 51 is 51, 50 are the cash. These are ingested. 50 is the ingested from the cash module. Whenever you the remaining amount will be created with the 51 transaction code. So using this 51 transaction code with this amount, selected the $100 amount, I have applied $50 amount, and the remaining amount I have created chargeback. So this minus 50. That is this one, $619.19. So the remaining amount you have reduced from 100 to 50. So I have created chargeback. So this chargeback should be in open status. See, this is in open status. The remaining amount is also in open status. Okay. So this means you should apply the remaining amount. See, this is the remaining amount on this cash. Before that, 99,669.19.
Yes.
So minus 50, 619. So you can use this amount for the remaining, to close the remaining invoices. So this is the chargeback I have created. So this is in working status. Okay. You can create
Screen 5 seconds slow. Slow. 5 seconds slower. Display out.
That's common.
It's starting now.
you have the option to create a claim on particular invoice or particular account. So first we will go to the on account.
No.
1,000. Just to 0. So I am creating the claim on this entire account.
చెప్పినట్టుంది.
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ చేసేది ఇక్కడ కనిపించట్లేదు.
అదే చెప్పండి.
నువ్వు అదే చెప్తున్నావా?
Nothing except
5 minutesలో ఉంటుంది, నాకు అర్థం కాలేదు.
how to set in చూడదు.
అక్కడ కరెక్ట్గా ఉందా?
ఇక్కడ ఎప్పుడో మారింది.
పిక్చర్
రికార్డింగ్ ఇది పాజ్ అయిందా ఆప్షన్ ఫైల్ పాజ్ రికార్డింగ్ రైట్ టాప్ రైట్ కార్నర్. స్టార్టింగ్ అయినప్పుడు వచ్చింది పాజ్ రికార్డింగ్ అని స్టార్టింగ్
ఇప్పుడు వచ్చింది.
లేదు లేదు
యూస్ఫుల్.
స్టిల్ వేర్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ స్క్రీన్. ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్లో.
ఈ స్క్రీన్ ఓకే ఇది స్క్రీన్.
రావట్లేదండి.
ఇది స్క్రీన్ సేమ్ స్క్రీన్.
సేమ్ స్క్రీన్ బట్ నావిగేషన్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదు. వస్తుందా?
Just can you save intermittently? I mean, in between, can you save this? Or you commit the meeting recording?
ఇప్పుడు కనెక్ట్.
I think we pause. Right, leave it.
రావట్లేదు. బిజీ ఉంది కదా. మీటింగ్ రికార్డ్ రికార్డెడ్ ఎక్కడైనా రికార్డింగ్ ఒకసారి చేయించాను. ఇక్కడ రికార్డింగ్ చేసింది, అక్కడ చేసింది, ఇప్పుడు కూడా రికార్డ్ అవుతుంది. ఇదైతే
ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ అవుతుంది. ఇప్పుడు చేయొచ్చు, ఇప్పుడు చేయొచ్చు, కానీ అది ఎక్కడ సేవ్ వేర్ విల్ బి సేవ్డ్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వీ కెన్ రిట్రీవ్ ఇట్ దట్ రికార్డింగ్ ఆర్ నాట్. కృష్ణ
That should be possible.
recording here itself only. So after